Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So in this video tutorial I am going to show you how to calculate the sales value and available stock. So as you can see, I have a Excel file with some data. You can see product name, quantity, unit price, quantity sold, sales value and available stock. So how you can find the sales value and stock? So since we have product, then unit price, quantity sold, we can create formula and find the sales value. So here in the empty cell, type equals to, then type product, double click. Now click on unit price, then give a comma, then click on quantity sold, bracket, enter. So now I can see the sales value for mouse is 31.2. Select and drag. Click on the empty field for available stock, equals to quantity minus quantity sold. So in this way you can find sales value and available stock.